Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm bringing to you a review of Long Vidon's keychain. I've done an unboxing already, but this is the keychain. Now, just really quickly, I want to make this nice and short and informative. Very good deal, very impressive. The metal and everything is very good. The button, the clasp, beautiful. All right, no problems with it. The stitching is perfection. I can't fault it at all. The leather is great. The best thing about this is $5 cheaper than Apple's leather version. On top of that, if you buy two of these, so not only is it $5 cheaper, but if you buy two of these, you get four. So all of a sudden, that's a lot of money you're looking at that this saves you. So I really love it. There's a lot of different colors. Absolutely love it. If you guys want a deal, I've put their description down below in the comments where you can find it. Also a link where you can get a bit of a discount on it as well. Thank you for watching it to the end. I really appreciate it. Take good care. Bye bye.